Hi my dear students, welcome to my biology class. Today we are going to learn about chromosomal disorders. In the previous sessions we have learnt about mutation. What is mutation? It is the alteration of genetic makeup of an individual organism. It causes change in the phenotype as well as the genotype of the organism. Mutation is of two types, which are the chromosomal mutation and the gene mutation. Here, the chromosomal disorders are occurred due to the chromosomal mutations. Then what is meant by chromosomal mutations? The mutation that are occurred in the chromosomes. The chromosomal mutation is of two types. Those are structural or morphological chromosomal mutation, structural or morphological chromosomal mutation and numerical chromosomal mutation. Numerical chromosomal mutation. Structural or morphological chromosomal mutation means the structure of the chromosome can be altered by certain agents. Certain processes like deletion, duplication, inversion, translocation, etc. may lead to the structural or morphological chromosomal mutation, while the numerical mutation is occurred due to the addition or deletion of one or two chromosomes from the whole set of chromosomes. Okay, so it is of two types, euploidy and aneuploidy. Aneuploidy. Euploidy means the addition of whole set of chromosome. It occurs due to the failure of cytokinesis after the telophase stage of the cell division. So it causes the addition of whole set of chromosome. If more set of chromosome numbers are added to the original diploid set, it leads to polyploidy condition. The polyploidy condition is occurred in the plants. Aneuploidy means the addition or deletion of one or two chromosomes. It causes change in the total chromosome number. It is of different types like trisomy, addition of a single chromosome, monosomy, deletion of a chromosome, tetrasomy and nullisomy, addition and deletion of two chromosomes respectively. Now you can observe the image of non-disjunction. That means how the failure of segregation of chromatids take place during meiosis. Here we are going to learn about the numerical chromosomal mutations, the disorders that are occurred due to the addition or deletion of chromosome in the total set of the chromosome in human beings. First of all, let's learn about one of the most common chromosomal disorders, that is Down's syndrome. This particular disease or disorder which causes a group of symptoms, that's why it is known as Down syndrome. Why is it known as Down syndrome? It was discovered by a scientist, Langdon Down, in 1866. Langdon Down in 1866. It is syndrome because it shows a group of symptoms. That's why it is known as Down's syndrome. Got it? It is a genetic disorder. It's a chromosomal disorder which is occurred due to the aneuploidy condition in the human beings. What is aneuploidy? The addition or deletion of one or two chromosomes. It is because of the failure of segregation of chromatids during cell division that results in the addition or deletion of the chromosome number, results in the abnormality in human beings. This Down syndrome is of three types. Those are trisomy, first kind trisomy, second one translocation Down syndrome, and third case mosaicism. Okay, out of this, trisomy is the most common type of Down syndrome that is occurred in human beings. Here, first one trisomy. Trisomy is the addition of one chromosome to the normal set of chromosomes. Here, the Down syndrome is occurred due to the addition of one extra copy of chromosome in the 21st pair of autosomes in human beings. Suppose this is the 21st pair of human chromosome. In this chromosome, one more chromosome is added. So, this is the extra copy. Okay, this kind of that arrangement of chromosome is occurred only in the particular chromosome pair. An extra copy is added. This is called trisomy. Here 2n plus 1. A pair of chromosome, that is the actual pair, 21st pair, and 1 is added. It is because of the failure of segregation of chromatids during cell division. Now you can observe the image of human chromosomes that shows trisomy of the 21st chromosome. In the second type, translocation Down syndrome means the extra part of the chromosome is present or attached and translocated into another chromosome rather than being a separate part of the chromosome number 21. It is very rare among human population. The next one, mosaicism. Mosaicism means the addition of one copy of chromosome in the 21st pair is called trisomy. Not only in the particular chromosome pair but also the extra copy may be found along with the other chromosome pair. That is also a rare case among human population, that is mosaicism. Now we are going to learn more about trisomy, the addition of a copy of chromosome in the 21st pair of autosomes. As it is present in the autosomes, this can be occurred both in male and female children in the generation. In the case of trisomy, the total number of chromosome will be 47. So, in case of trisomy, it is 47. The karyotype can be written as 47 XX or XY. That means the total number is 47. That means including the sex chromosome. That means 45 autosomes, then 46, then 47. 45 autosomes and the sex chromosome XX or XY. So the total number is 47. Got it? So it can be also written like this: 45AA plus XX or XY. So here 45, then 46, 47. In the case of female, 45, 46, 47. In the case of male. Okay, so total number is 47. In Down syndrome, the affected individual is short-statured with a round and flat face, then with a short neck and with a furrowed tongue and partially open mouth, and a special palm with a palm crease, and fingertips will have special loops. They may also have congenital heart diseases. The physical, psychomotor and mental development will be retarded in such individuals. The next chromosomal disorder is Klinefelter syndrome. Klinefelter's syndrome. This particular disorder is usually occurred in males. It is occurred due to the trisomy of the sex chromosome in males. Trisomy of the sex chromosome in males means that one copy of X chromosome is added to their sex chromosome pair. What is the sex chromosome pair in males? That is XY pattern. Here addition of one X chromosome means it is represented as like this. Okay, then it causes the development of certain feminine features in such individuals. Now you can observe the image of the chromosome of humans that shows trisomy of the sex chromosome in the case of Klinefelter syndrome. Overall masculine features, at the same time the person may have feminine characteristic features. For example, breast development or gynecomastia is the most common characteristic feature of the patient with the Klinefelter syndrome. Gynecomastia. What is gynecomastia? Breast development. Okay, the karyotype is written as total 47. Okay, total number is 47, then XXY. Okay, or 44AA plus XXY. That means 44 autosomes. Then this is the 45th, 46, 47. So total chromosome number is 47. So it is because of the addition of one sex chromosome or X chromosome. Got it? That is Klinefelter syndrome. These persons will be sterile. They will not be able to produce gametes as their testicles are rudimentary, they are immature, and also they will lack secondary sexual characters too. The next chromosomal disorder is Turner's syndrome. Turner's syndrome. This chromosomal disorder is occurred usually in females. It is occurred in females. It occurs due to the absence of one X chromosome in the sex chromosome pair. We know that the males as well as the females have 22 pairs of autosomes and one pair of sex chromosome. In the case of female, the last pair is the XX pair, the sex chromosome pair. Okay, so here what happens? The one of the chromosome is absent in this case, so that the chromosome number will be 45. The normal chromosome number in human is 46. Then in human female is 46. Now, due to the lack of one X chromosome, that is 45. Here also what happens? That the aneuploidy occurs. Here monosomy of the sex chromosome. That means 2n minus 1. So, deletion of one sex chromosome from this case. So, the karyotype can be written as 45X0 or 44A plus X0. Here 44 autosomes, then 45, the X chromosome 45. So, the total number of chromosome is 45 in this case. These patients, these individuals will be short-statured with the rudimentary ovaries. They also lack secondary sexual characters. They are sterile too. Sometimes such individuals will be affected by heart diseases. So today we have learned about 3 types of chromosomal disorders. Those are Down syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome, and then Turner syndrome. Down syndrome is occurred due to the trisomy of the 21st pair of human chromosome. Then Klinefelter syndrome is occurred due to the trisomy of the X chromosome in the male. XXY is present in the last pair of human sex chromosome in male. The last Turner syndrome is occurred due to the monosomy of the sex chromosome in female. I hope you understood the topic well. With this, I conclude my session. Then thank you and have nice moments.